Hello, it's Alicia with WTI, and I want to show you guys these really cool makeup removing cloths. These are from S&T Inc. and they work really well. You get a pack of 5, they come with a bunch of different colors, and they're just awesome. They work super well to remove makeup, and all you need is water, which is great if you're trying to avoid putting a lot of different products on your face or if you have sensitive skin. And also they're eco-friendly because you don't have to throw away any makeup removing cloths, which I love. So it's very simple to use, and you can see the liquid foundation that is on my arm. With just water on the cloth, it wipes off no problem. These cloths will even get off waterproof mascara and really heavy, thick foundations. They will take it all off with just water, and it's awesome. Pop them in the washing machine and dryer, and they wash up super clean. I've had these for a long time, and look at how well they clean up. You can't see that there's any stains on it, and I use them all the time to remove foundation. So definitely would recommend this product, and that is my point of view.